All right. We got a 2-1-1 setup on QQQ as well on the 1 hour. It's actually it's pretty much holding up pretty nicely, honestly. I mean, considering, the gap down that we had. I mean, we pulled back to 620. Yeah, we pulled back to 618.78 during pre-market. So if we do sell off, that is a target that you want to use. It's an extreme target, but it is a target that you want to use. 618.78. Sorry. Welcome in everybody that's coming in on the stream. If you're new in here, go ahead and drop a good morning down below in the chat. Can't come in and get some game and trade live without saying good morning, so go ahead and drop a good morning in the chat. We are live trading with TSA, my group. So yeah. No, you guys are good in the Discord. I'm talking about the people on the stream. They're coming in right now. So drop a good morning in the chat down below. And yeah, we're gonna live trade today. We got our game plan already ready to go. This is the perks of being in TSA. You get to join the calls prior to the stream. So look at Oracle. We got Oracle pulling back to 191. Oh my guys, it's gonna go for 190, bro. I think we open at 190, and if we do, cruising. Let me put Oracle over here so people on the stream can actually see it. Oh my gosh, bro, it's tanking, bro. And I don't think they had any price targets release any downgrades just yet. We'll see. I think we take out 190 at open. If we flush through 190, we can see 185.76 pretty quickly. So like I said, under 192, if you can't take the entry at open, look for a 5-minute confirmation on Oracle. You can mark them on a 30-minute, 1 hour. You can mark them on all of them, honestly. Now, another thing too to use as a guideline, if QQQ also loses 623.50, you can see Oracle flush for real. So if QQQ is super bearish at open, you can also see Oracle, which already has relative strength to the downside. You can also see it really move and pick up. Good morning, Paradox. Good morning, J King. Walter, good morning, my brother. Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to the stream, guys. The market opens in about 48 seconds. I sent out Oracle yesterday on my Twitter. So if you guys follow me and you took this trade, you should be up pretty nicely at open. So we'll see how my contracts open. I'm excited to see what they open up as, I'm definitely excited to see what they open at. Oh my gosh, it's probably gonna go for 190 at open, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Let's see what happens, man. This shit's crazy, bro. This is crazy. I think we take out 190, bro. Let's see. Is this 1,000%? I don't know, TSA. Is this 1,000%? Might be 1,000% trade right here, y'all. So if TSA, if we lose 190 on Oracle, you can also use that as an entry. So either 5-minute confirmation or 190. All right, y'all. Market is open. Let's see here. See where my contracts opened at. Bro, my contracts are not loading, bro. My shit is frozen, bro. No way. No way is my shit frozen, bro. Is anybody else's Weeble frozen? Mine are loading. Okay, we're up 300% on these. Oh my gosh, y'all. Let's go, bro. Stop playing with us, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Stop playing. Oh my gosh, bro. 300% on them. Oh my gosh. Look at 185. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. No way. No fucking way, bro. Come on, give me 185. Give me 185. There we go. Come on, bro. Oh, no way. No fucking way. That's nasty work, bro. Nasty, nasty, nasty work. All right, I just closed out Oracle. No fucking way. 300%. Oh, the camera went black. Hold on, let me turn it on. No way. Nah, we just went stupid, bro. We just went stupid, bro. I paper traded Oracle. The 180 puts went from 0.35 to 3.15. Oh my gosh. Bro, look at QQQ out of there, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. We just smacked that shit, man. Stop playing with us, bro. Oracle. 300% on Oracle. Bing bong. Bing bong. Stop playing, man. Called it out live. Sent it out for free. On Twitter. Come on, man. Shout out to Oracle for blessing. Like I said, 185.76 is the level. You couldn't get filled on Oracle. If it gives you a retest of 190, you can look for it. But the market, I mean, Oracle looks really, really weak right now. Like, it is super, super weak. Super duper weak. Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, it's tanking, bro. Oh my gosh. I'm not even looking for a re-entry. Too much emotions. My emotions are a little too heightened right now. Smooth 300% on the wake up. Smooth 300% on the wake up, bro. And there goes 185.76. So like I told y'all, this triggers the monthly. Okay, this triggers the monthly right here. So when it triggers this 2 down on the month, you got QQ flush. I gotta get like you. Motivation. Let's go. You just gotta keep going through the curriculum, man. It just takes time. That's it. It just takes time. So if you get a retest of 190, you can look for shorting it there at 190, guys. So if you get in, if Oracle pulls back to 190, you can look to take the entry of puts on puts back down. %300% on the wake up. It's crazy. Okay, side. 400%. Stop playing with us, man. I have volume candles turned on TV, and that Oracle candle is the biggest I've seen. That's crazy. Look at QQQ flushing, bro. I told y'all, once we lose 623, 618.78 is not a level we couldn't see, honestly. Let's go. Closed out. I'm good here. Same here. Yeah, I don't need to force nothing else. Shout out to Saeed. 400% on Oracle puts. We called it out for free yesterday. I entered it yesterday with y'all live. I literally entered it with the stream live, sent it out on Discord. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody that took Oracle. Let me drop my screenshot in there too. IWM just triggered as well, guys. IWM just triggered. You swung it from yesterday. Yeah, we entered yesterday. I called it out live on the stream and then Discord. IWM triggered, guys. IWM is triggered. So for those of you who were looking for the calls entry on IWM, it has triggered. You should have taken your entry already. Or QQQ bouncing here a little bit. We need to get back through 624 to be a little bit more bullish. We beefing hard, but hey, best. I'm so sorry. I forgot to call you. I'm so sorry. I miss you. I'm gonna call you once I'm done streaming. How much is your mentorship? In the Discord right now, you can join right now. The link is in my bio. You can check out the prices that we have available. You can choose the one that makes the most sense for you. It's the first link in my bio. Easy. If you took Oracle, drop your screenshots in the Discord. Let me drop mine. Yeah, Leon. So you definitely should have straddled it, bro. Don't ever. So this is a good learning lesson. When you are looking at so you could profit on the company going down. Yes, of course. When you are trading earnings, you have to protect your downside. So that's why you have to straddle. You gotta go on both sides. I'm calling Dukes. Hey, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna call you after this. I'm literally gonna call you after this. I swear. I swear. I swear. What are those on the screen indicators? Too much. Hey, you know, if you feel like it's too much for you, you know, just too much for you, you know. But I mean, if we like it and it worked for us, it worked for us. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Shout out to everybody who took Oracle with us. If you took Oracle, drop it in the Profits channel. Let me actually drop this in the Discord real quick. Easy money, bro. Let's go, Savage Dior, $1,400. Look, stop playing with us, bro. We sent these out live yesterday. These are members. Actually, let me just show y'all on here, because this is hard to see like this. Haircut is immaculate. Thank you. I appreciate that. All this bread and you can't send me $5 for food. Bro, what do I look like? What do I look like? 67% here on IWM. Let's go over to the trading floor. 400% here on Oracle. Right? Call IWM. Let's go, Leon. I see you, my brother. Look at this trade right here. This is the Oracle trade that we sent out. $482 into almost $2,000. $1,400 profit. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Michelle, did you get out in time? Let's go, bro. Easy money, easy money. Let's go, Sunshine. Shout out to my mom. My mom's in the Discord chat. Shout out to Mama Dukes. 300%. 1,400. I just need 5 for another day, big bro. So what's up with y'all asking people for money that y'all don't know? And me in specific. Love you, mother dear. I will upload later. Not good at multitasking. All good. Sounds good. Proud of you, Michelle. Great job. I'll have to look at this when I'm done with this stream. How do you get your key levels correctly? The daily time frame. Love you more on SPX. Did SPX gap down? Oh, it did. No wonder I couldn't see it. Yeah, it looks like it's recovering. Through 68.70 would be ideal on SPX. IWM looking pretty strong here. That's a good candle close right there on a 5-minute. QQQ is a little bit weaker. So as you guys can see, we have this long wick to the upside. If QQQ loses 621.95, it will be setting up for a bearish move back down to 620. That's where we can see QQQ go to 620. So Oracle to 620 is the level. I mean, not Oracle, QQQ 620 is the target if it breaks to the downside. How can I make money with you like this? Join the Discord. Now on Oracle, guys, when you guys are straddling on the call side, I leave my calls. I'm an XPS 6870 TTE. Let's go. That man is a Capricorn. He'll show you how to get the money, not give you his, right? I hit 200 on shares. On Oracle shares, let's go. Good job, bro. Yeah, if IWM breaks through 256.56, y'all should already be in this right now. TSA. Y'all entry was back here on this purple line, so you should already be in this. If you're in IWM, comment me down below real quick in the Discord. If you're in IWM right now, okay, good. Yeah. Y'all should all be in IWM already. And I don't want y'all to ever feel handicapped. Y'all don't have to wait for me to tell you to enter. This is a great job. This is called execution on your own. So 256.56 is your first target. Okay, 257 is your second target up here. This was the target that we had from yesterday. We never got a chance to get it. Now, if your contracts are up 100% plus right now, start shaving off some profits. Start closing out some of your position. The biggest reason I say this is because this is a major resistance level. This is the highs from yesterday. So we could likely sweep this right? And go back lower, especially with QQQ breaking back lower. So you got a 212 on QQQ here. So be careful of this level. If we lose 621.95, we can see 620 next. People getting paid, people getting paid. That's the TSA way. My Oracle, my 190 Oracle puts went from 111 to 620. That's crazy. That's insane. Shout out to the market, man. Shout out to the market. Absolutely gorgeous setups for the day. Beautiful, 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 man. Today was an amazing day, and we didn't have to do nothing. You just took the overnight trade. So notice how I said IWM. This is going to be a major level of resistance. So that's why I told y'all, start shaving off some of your profits. Leave runners. Move your runners to break even. How much is your alerts group? We don't just do alerts. We actually teach you how to trade. But if you want to come join us, you can click the link in my bio on TikTok and you can check it out. There's different prices for different individuals. So some people want to do the yearly, some people want to do lifetime access, other people want to do monthly. We have all options in my bio, so you can join through there. Boom. Free trade idea got people paid, bro. Come on now. Wish I took IWM. All good though. Yeah, don't let the FOMO get to you. It's all good. So there goes. We still haven't tapped the first target yet on IWM, so be patient. SPX is looking like we can get back through 68.70. So the gap fill on SPX is 68.86. That's what I was actually saying about the what is it called? The straddle. When you guys straddle, okay, you close out one side. So like Oracle, I closed out at 300%, right, on the puts. Now I'm still holding my calls. So if it does want to recover and bring me back some more of my profits from that, then I'll accept it. You know what I'm saying? I'll take it. But right now I'm just holding it, and I already sized for 0 on that side. So whatever happens, happens. It's down literally 99% on the call side. So the put side went 300%. The call side is at 0. So that's the point of the straddle. TSA, does that make sense now? Like, does the straddle make more sense, especially how we broke it down before we started trading? Drop a yes in the chat if so. So you're waiting for one side to go to 0, and then the other side has to go over 100%. So in this case scenario, since the trade went 300%, I did 200% overall. So one is just canceling out the other. Man, got me at work tied up and I couldn't even get in. Of course, I'm not going FOMO. But we still look for the 30-minute orb? Yeah. You guys can still look for a 30-minute orb. Yeah, just because the 5-minute looks good doesn't mean you can't. It's invalidating. If SPS can, like I said, get through 68.70, we can see that 68.80 level hit. So we'll see. But market's looking a little bit more bearish right now. What other trades are you looking to get into today? So IWM, this is already triggered. We sent this out earlier. So all of our members are already in IWM. QQQ, if we lose 621, like these lows of the day, I would just say call it 621.10. If we lose this level, we could see 620. So that would be the next trade. But I'm not going to force anything today. I'm low-key on a high right now from Oracle. So I'm just going to control my emotions, manage my risk properly, and not force anything today. I probably won't trade anything tomorrow too, just because we killed FOMC yesterday, smacked Oracle today. When you start getting too high on your highs and stuff, like this is what I told y'all, never get too high off your highs and too low off your lows. Like, kind of find that medium ground. Like, granted, doing 300% today at open was amazing, but day, go Miguel, easy day. Easy day. OMG, it's like you're speaking Spanish. We call it tradinese. When you don't know too much about trading, you hear somebody talk about trading, that's called tradinese. Told you, Leon, you just gotta trust yourself, my good brother. You just gotta trust yourself, man. I'm proud of you, bro. You just gotta trust yourself, bro. You gotta give it time, man. You gotta give it time. I love that advice. Never too high off your highs and never too low off your lows. Exactly. What can we see IWM doing today? Right now, if we can get a retest of 255.51, we could see 257 today, but we'll see. But here goes QQQ right here, like I told y'all. 622 was the original entry. If you missed this entry, then you can look for a break and close under 621. Like I said, 620 is your first target on QQQ, so you should be entering right now, like literally as we speak. And then the gap fill at 618.78 is your next target. Why is there 4 screens? Because there's different time frames on each one of them. Let's go get this money fast. Hey, yo. Yeah, if we're losing lows of the day right now on SPX, so we need to see. We need to hold 68.50 on SPX. QQQ should be paying y'all right now. So for those of you guys who are on the stream, if you took QQQ, your first target is 620. Target number 2 is 618.78. I'm not taking that trade. I'm already done for the day. I hit my number. I'm smooth selling. Good call on Oracle. Thank you, brother, man. If you guys took Oracle on the stream, if you came to the stream yesterday and you took Oracle with me yesterday, just send me over a screenshot of your profits, and I'll repost it on my Twitter. Okay, QQQ first target is about 20 cents off on your first target on QQQ. So you're almost there. All right, almost there. All right, there goes your first target on QQQ. So second target here is 618.78. 618.78. $618.78. IWM back through this range. So we need to defend 255 for IWM. If not, if we lose 255, you can see 253.94. So look at QQQ on the 5-minute. Look how this candle closes. This is a Maribozu candle. Sellers are in control right now. There is no reason you should think that you can't take out this next target. When you have very small wicks on both sides of the candle and you have a strong body to the downside, you know who is in control. So when you're sitting in this trade, you have confirmation that this trade can take out this next target. So notice how price is starting to work in your direction, or work in your favor. SPX also back under 68.50. Need to watch that level. So IWM, like I said, coming back through opening print. Opening print is at 254.67. So if you want to look for shorts, if you want to do puts on IWM, you would have to enter at 254.67. That would be your target. Chat, for somebody who's new to this, what's a good way to start? You can join my Discord. We teach everything in there. We teach everything step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Target or entry? Target or entry for what? $68.41 is SPX. We need to lose that level if you want to look for it to go lower. But right now, QQQ 618.78 is your next target. Would it be a good idea to enter a call for QQQ? No, not right now. You would be trying to catch a falling knife. What's target on QQQ put? 618.78 is your next target. So the original entry was up here at 622. If you didn't take that entry, I told you could have got in right here at 621.10. And then your first target was 620. So your first target is already hit. You already caught a dollar move. You already caught the dollar move. How do you set accurate TP and stop losses on Webull based on the ticker price and not bid price? You would just have to set alerts. You have to set alerts if you're not going to do it based off the premiums of the contracts. Brother, I'm lost. This is why you got to join TSA, my good brother. This is why you got to join TSA, my guy. Doom, 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 doom. This dude on Twitter said, "Yo, bro, I wish I would have took Oracle. What else can I take?" Where can I join TSA? The link is in my bio, brother. It's the first link in my bio. I'm thinking 618 is 618. What do you mean? 618.78. So you can just look at my chart. Your target is right here at this top right chart right here. 618.78 is coming up right now. I told y'all, you have a Maribozu candlestick close, you know who's in control. So look at what's happening. You should be super paid. If you're here on the stream and you took this trade, you should be super paid right now. You didn't have to pay me anything. You just literally made money without having to, like, what you should do is if you made money, you should join TSA now with your profits. That would be the smart thing to do. You know what I'm saying? That would be the logical thing to do. If you already made money for free, imagine what the paid version is gonna look like. You know what I mean? I'm Miss QQQ. Any others you recommend? IWM is triggering literally right now. So IWM right now is triggering. We're going back through opening print. So your entry is literally right now. You're literally right now on IWM puts. Target is 253.94, 253.60, which is the opposite side of this range on the 4-hour time frame. So this would be your target, these two, and then you can do 252.81. Those will be your targets. How much is TSA before clicking the link? It's 99 bucks a month, or you could do lifetime access or annual. All right, there goes QQQ. We're about 5 cents off. Okay, there goes QQQ. Target 2 has been hit. Target 3 on QQQ is 617.22. 617.22. TSA, are we paid or what? I mean, come on. I wish I took QQQ instead of Oracle. I chased. All good, brother, man. Join TSA, learn while saving, and watch live trades. So when you're ready to invest, you can make big profits. Money glitch, literally. 85% on QQQ. Let's go, Eddie. Paid. Come on now. It's too easy. TSA's community only doesn't have teaching and coaching. It does. It's not just the community. It's the curriculum. It's live classes, live trading. It's like, you know, a deluxe package of information. Now, if you want like a McDonald's level, you know what I'm saying, education, you might want to go somewhere else. This is like the steakhouse. This is like top notch. I'm saying, does that mean $618? No, that doesn't mean $618. That means that's the price target on the stock. That's where you would get out. So notice how price, you're starting to get a bounce at this level. It's literally all just key levels. That's it. McDonald's education, no, I'm dead ass. You know what I mean? People look for the cheapest route. I'm not the cheapest route. I'll never price what I have as cheap, because you get cheap people, and you get people who have a mindset to think, you know, they're just not my type of person I would like to work with, honestly. I want to work with people who have money, who have a good understanding of money, who want to make more money, and who are ambitious. I don't want to work with people who, I'm looking for the cheapest route and I need a sale and I need, like, no, bro. What I've learned with working with people like that is they tend not to have any good work ethic. So if you want cheap, go somewhere else. Is it okay if I apply the entry and TP on meme coins? I mean, if you want to. If you want to. If you want to. Honestly, I should have full ported Oracle. Easy breakfast. Good shit, MJ. TSA, drop y'all screenshots down below in the channel real quick. I want to show people on the Discord. I mean, on the stream that we're profiting in real time. I want to show them what they're missing out on. So drop your screenshots. Whoops, it's the wrong channel. Drop your screenshots in the chat real quick for me. Kayla, go crazy then. Hey, Kayla, you the GOAT, man. You the GOAT. Let me hold like $3. Just 3. Okay, just 3. All right, so we got 67% here on IWM. All right, shout out to you. 67% here on IWM. Let's go shorty, $137 on the day. As you guys can see, realized profit. This isn't Fake money. This is real money. 250% here on IWM. We got 170% here on IWM. Let's go MJ. Let's see, 70% on QQQ, 85% on QQQ, 54%. Let's go Amy. 1 hour IWM candle is closing. Facts. You want to wait for that 1 hour candle to close on at 10 a.m. So you got 2 minutes on that candle. We are literally cruise controlling. We are smooth selling. Do you live trade every day? Not every day. Not every day. We do pre-market calls with my community every day though. So if you're not in TSA, you won't be able to access those. But if you want to join TSA, you can click the link in my bio. It's the first link in there. This is the very first link in there. Let's go TSA. Another green day. I love to see it. I love to see it. Can we get real-time data on Webull for free? I think it's $3 a month. Am I mistaken, y'all? Let's go, Michelle. $444 on Oracle. Let's go. Let's go, Michelle. Love the execution. Love the execution. That is so lit. Make sure I like that. Realized profits. Let's go, Michelle. Today was a blessing to the accounts. No cap. Today and yesterday was the blessings to the account. How's the market looking right now? Bearish? Yeah. Oh my gosh, bro. QQQ 617.22 is up next. Those QQQ puts should be up a couple 100% right now. If you're in here on the stream and you took the trade, comment me down below if you took either IWM or QQQ. Thank God for the market, boy. This is the best skill to learn in the world, literally. Literally. There's no other skill I would rather do. Shout out to 604. Matt, he said I took the trade too. Easy money. Hit 170%. Thanks, no problem. Now you should go join TSA. That's your sign. You just hit 170%. Go click the link in the bio. Tap in so you can trade with us day by day. Day by day. All right, so the 1 hour candle just closed on, let me pull this up right here. QQQ 1 hour time frame. Let's pull this up. Bada boom, bada bang. All right, so look at this candle. Oh my God, bro. Yeah, I think we take out 615 today, QQQ. Look at this candle close on the 1 hour. Insane. QQQ can see 615.13 today. If it wants to continue at this rate, we can definitely see 615.13. Oracle back under 190. So you can see Oracle pull back to one, like I said, 185.76 triggers the monthly level. 185.76 is a monthly level. So watch that level. Watch that level. So your next target on QQQ is 617.22, and then the one after that is 615.13. So our entry was up here at 622. Once you had this break, so we broke under 623, we retested it, failed, came back lower, and broke under. That was your entry. And then all you have to do is just wait for your targets to get hit. Just be patient. QQQ so expensive today. Yeah, it's because it's the day after FOMC, so the premiums are inflated. Premiums are super inflated today. What's the best way to start learning this skill? Join TSA. I teach everything step by step. All of the indicators, the charts, the lines, everything. I chase Oracle, recover my losses. Okay, Eddie. Stop playing with him, Eddie. Stop playing with him. Easy money. Easy, 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 easy. This is too easy. I can't get filled for shit. You probably moving your premiums too low. 118% on QQQ. I see you, Eddie. I'm in TSA already, but so new, I don't know what to click where I can learn. Start with the onboarding curriculum. You have a whole onboarding section that will walk you through all of everything you need to complete step by step. How long did it take you to learn trading? Not that long, honestly. I'm starting to realize in my journal I make more money with the ETFs than individual stocks. Same. That's why I only touch IWM most of the time. That's why I said, like, you really can just, like, unless it's like a high probability setup, like how Oracle or yeah, just Oracle. Unless it's a scenario like that, I really don't look to touch anything else, honestly. Because there's no need to. I mean, you know, like I told y'all, with our position sizing and the way that our risk management is, I mean, you can take a couple trades on IWM and your port can be up, especially with how consistent it is. Facts. Also, too, every individual stock has different personalities. Exactly. Like, if you can just master a couple tickers like IWM, QQQ, you'll be fine. And then you can trade earnings here and there, either straddle or, you know, gap up or gap down. Those are really the only setups you really need, honestly. Those are really the only ones you actually need. OMG, imagine catching an all-time high bounce on IWM. I know, right? Did I not say shave off profits from there? It's a major resistance level. Now, I do think we'll end up taking this back out. I don't know if we'll do it today, but I think we probably end up taking this back out maybe next week, because I'm still bullish on the market. I think this is just profit taking. Like, I think all of this is just a higher low on a higher time frame. But we need to let the market kind of digest everything that happened yesterday. I'm definitely more interested in swinging earnings now, seeing what Oracle did. Yeah, you just got to go back and back test. Did you send me a message? I got lost. No, this is a fake account. That's a fake account. I'll never message you. QQQ still dropping? No, we ended up bouncing here at this level. So you need to see how this candle closes on the 5 minute. If it closes like this, we could probably chop up the rest of the day. I think the move that you guys would have ideally wanted has already happened for the day. So you should already be paid. You should already be paid. You should already be paid. Y'all should be shaving off profits and leaving runners in this scenario. No reason to force anything. There's no reason to jump into anything just yet. You can look for that 30-minute orb. It hasn't triggered. You vibing. You are vibing. Shout out to Oracle, man. Blessed TSA, IWM blessed TSA, QQQ blessed TSA. We all got paid today. Just perks of being in TSA. These are the perks. These are the perks. Y'all getting money. Okay, I see y'all. Y'all getting money. What times do you regularly do this? I'll live trade a couple times throughout the week. Then some lives I'll just be teaching, just like giving game, breaking down the strat, key levels, support resistance, stuff like that. So it really just depends on the day that you catch me. But yeah, I'm probably gonna live trade the rest of this week because I was sick 2 weeks ago, and I pretty much missed out for about 2 weeks due to being sick. So I'll probably live trade. I'm probably not gonna enter anything tomorrow, but I'll still jump on. And look at what we got, but I won't enter anything tomorrow. I've hit my portfolio growth for the entire week. So there's no reason for me to take any other trades. There's no reason for me to take anything else. Let me show y'all real quick. This is my overall portfolio. My portfolio is up 25% right now. This is called good risk management. My entire portfolio is up 25%. So yeah. I don't need to force anything else. I'm just vibing. It's a beautiful thing. It is. Once you learn this skill set, man, you just vibing, yo. Just vibing. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hope all is well. Hope all is well. Out of SPX puts, still in one long. Let's go, mom. IWM call soon. I I wouldn't touch it. I think we consolidate. Would you take IWM through the original entry gain? No, I wouldn't. I think we chop up from here. But I mean, I don't know. The price action right now is looking a little bit more bullish, but I wouldn't touch that right now. Back through that range. It's all good, Eddie. Just journal it, bro. When I tried doing this, somebody told me I need $25,000 to start, so I stopped. You do not need $25,000 to start. No, you need a cash account. You can start with $500. I have students right now who are trading small accounts. I have students right now who are trading small accounts with $500. You don't need $25,000. Do you guys talk about taxes with trading stocks in your Discord? Yes, we are actually partnered with one of the top tax firms in the state. In the country. Prime Tax Corporate Services. You guys can go Google them. One of the top ranked tax companies in the United States. We are partnered with them. Every student who signs up for TSA, you get a free consultation with a registered CPA, a registered accountant. Not accountant, a registered CPA, I'm sorry. So with that being said, you also get a complimentary trading LLC. So you can trade under an LLC. You can write off, expenses for your trading, all your equipment, all that. You can write all of that stuff off. And you can get insights on how to properly save and all that stuff as well. How do we access that CPA and the info about the LLC? It's in the WAP. It's under complimentary trading LLC. You can just secure it. It's a code that you use. You basically just pay the state fees. Once you pay the state fees, you'll be able to book a call with them, and then you can set up like your estate planning. You can do trusts. You can do all that. So it's probably one of the best partnerships I've ever had. I partner with a lot of companies, but that's one of my best ones for sure. So yeah, made profits. On to the next one. Let's go. Too easy. You doing workshop with Prime again soon? Yes, I am. I got hella journaling to do. Second FOMC gonna be so much better. Absolutely. Yeah, journal, y'all. Do not sleep on journaling. I gotta stick to what I'm good at. QQQ and IWM. Yeah, don't overcomplicate it. But it's okay, because I was in that same phase a couple months ago where I was like, man, I like trading all this other stuff, but it's just, you gotta look at what works. Will YouTube teach me how to do this? Sure. You can learn it from YouTube. You just gotta be okay with understanding that the information is gonna be scattered and you might be getting some invalid information from some other people. So if you're okay with that, then, go for it. How should we journal? You should be plotting down the trade that you took. So the date, the trade you took, why you took it, what was the setup, your emotions while you were in the trade. Did you win or did you lose? Why? And the outcome, and then what you learned. Those are the things that I journal. What are you teaching us this morning? We traded live, so we made our profit for the day, hit our goal for the week. We had a beautiful week. We had an amazing week. So no need to give no money back to the market. That's how when people are too euphoric, when they're too high off their highs, they go back in, they jumping in, they trying to get this trade, or I missed out on this, or I seen this person hit this percent, and they jumping back in and they FOMO, and they get cooked, and they give all their profits back. They give all their money back. I've already been through that cycle already. When I hit my number for the day, walk away. I don't need to force nothing. I'm gonna relax. And the problem is people just don't know how to just close out the computer. Like, you literally have to close your computer, and you got to close out TradingView on your phone, and don't look back. Don't look for the rest of the day. Go read a book, go touch grass. You know what I'm saying? You don't got to know everything about the market and where it's going and how it's reacting to this level. No, you don't need that. I'm getting off, boys. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, Eddie. Good job today, brother, man. Make sure you journal, bro. Facts. Happens to me with sports betting, not gonna lie. It happens to everyone, bro. It's human psychology. FOMO, it gets everybody. You just have to train yourself to identify it and then not react to it. The afternoon/end of day live trading was lit. I'm glad you liked it. Yeah, it was pretty smooth. Do you trade daily on live? I don't. In my Discord, they get pre-market calls. So if you want to join like the pre-market calls and all that stuff, you can click the link in my bio to join. It alerted, cool. I'm not touching nothing for the day. Just got to follow those rules. Just got to follow the rules. Look at QQQ back on the move. IWM back on the move as well. SPX, huge recovery. Oh my goodness. Told you I'm still bullish on the market. Just because you're getting profit taking, you can take advantage of a quick scalp to the downside, but you got to keep in mind the higher time frames. I told y'all this is literally just a higher low. This is a higher low on the 4-hour time frame. This is a higher low on the daily time frame. You're just profit taking, opening up liquidity, opening up money, and then moving back in a direction where, you know, the market is focused on the higher time frames. Sitting in shares for IWM right now. Smooth selling, my brother. Will you help trade earnings for today? What do you mean help trade earnings? Do you long-term invest as well? Yeah, that is my primary thing. Swing shares and long-term investing, those are my two primaries. Options trading is great, but it's not the number one thing for me. Can we still see puts for QQQ right now? I wouldn't touch it right now. The market might chop up. We've already gotten one big swing to the downside. If we get a swing to the upside as well, I think we chop up. But yeah, Oracle is actually coming back through 193.50, so you never know. My 240 calls, you never know, man. They might just do something. I mean, they're at 0 right now, but you never know. You know, they might do something. We'll see. Yeah, they're literally at 0 right now. They're probably not, but they're not coming back from the dead. But if they did, I'd be grateful. I'd be grateful. No lie. But I'm gonna let them expire though. Definitely gonna let them expire. Baby, take your time. What's the rush? I need to find this link for one of my students. Product only clothing. Boom. Question: can you remind me what red box around the closed candle means? Red box, liquidity grab. Y'all enjoy the rest of the day. Might come back to observe SPX end of day. All right, MJ. Yeah, TSA. I'm gonna close out the Discord. I'll be live right now. I'm gonna stream for a little bit longer, so if you guys want to pull up over there. But TSA, you guys should be paid. Be sure to drop all of your screenshots of profits in the trading floor or in the trading profits channel. Go ahead and do that for me. Greatly helps a ton. Proud of all of you guys. Don't overtrade today. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the trade. All right, y'all. Love you guys. I'll see y'all later. All right, cool. So stream. All right. So if you guys watch this trade right now, how many of you feel like, all right, this is something I want to do? I want to join TSA. I want to learn from you. I just made money live with you. I want to take advantage of this. Comment yes or me down below. Let me see something real quick. Why is this not loading? Okay, so if you're in here right now and you just pretty much watched this trade live, I just showed y'all exactly how we took the entries, where the entries were at. If you made money with us and you got profits and you want to learn how to trade, we literally teach everything inside of my group. Since we did really good today and yesterday, I'm gonna open the enrollment back up. So with the enrollment, okay, on our website, it is normally $99 a month. There is a link that I'm going to put live, okay? There is a link that I'm going to put live for $75 a month. It's only going to be for 5 minutes. So for those of you who wanted a discount, you're going to get a discount right now on joining. It'll be $75 a month. You'll be grandfathered in, so you don't have to worry about the price going back up later. We will be going back to $200 a month in the 1st of January. So if you want to join at this price so you don't have to pay more later, be sure to click the link in my bio. I'm gonna make sure the link is live right now. So I just put the link back visible, so you guys should be able to see it. I'm gonna walk you guys through it right now. So if you're on the stream, you got 5 minutes to be able to join it. Here is how you can access it. So this is you on the stream right now. You click the link at the top left, or my account at the top left, and you click on my profile right here. Right, so you click on the account. It'll take you over to my profile. Now, under my profile, you want to go ahead and click on, whoops, let me go back, boom, boom. All right, so on my profile, okay, why is it doing this? Okay, you want to click the link that is in my bio, okay? When you click the link in my bio, you want to click the very first link, okay? You want to click the very first link at the top, and it's going to take you here. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and click join at the bottom left. When you click join, you see 75 a month. So you see the normal options here. This is the discounted link. So you can use this link right now to join. This is open for the next 5 minutes, 75 a month. You can unsubscribe at any time, so on and so forth. Okay. So all you gotta do is click join. This is open for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna open it up and set a timer. So the timer is now set. So if you wanted to join TSA, you want to learn everything, and if you're even if you're a complete beginner to trading or the stock market as a whole, we teach everything top to bottom. The first 2 people that sign up will get their subscription refunded. So the 75 bucks today that you pay is going to get refunded only for the first 2 people. So success loves speed. If you're really about it and you really want to learn it, again, you want quality information, this is the place to be. Obviously, I just did it live in front of you, so I know what I'm talking about. But yeah, you can check it out there. And then if you want to see all of the profits from people who are actually doing this, right? So we'll show you actual results from individuals who are in our group. Here you go. So we trade live pretty much multiple times a week. So this is 400% on Oracle, 400% here. We sent these out. So even if you have a smaller account, if you're starting with 500 to 1,000 bucks, this is a great place to be at. You can trade and start an account with 500 to 1,000 bucks. You can see all of the profits from our members in the group. So you guys can see 20%. We got smaller accounts, so people who are starting with 1,000 bucks, you got those people in there. You guys can see me. This is 25%. This is how much I'm up on my entire account on the day. 118% on QQQ. A couple other ones, 118%. $169 on the day. 34%, 298%, 400%, so on and so forth. This person may turn $400 into $1,400 as well. So we teach you all of this stuff step by step. So the link is in my bio. You guys have 3 minutes and 28 seconds to enroll. Okay, 3 minutes and 28 seconds. And again, in order to access it, to find the link, if you're here on the stream right now, right, all you're gonna do is click my account at the top left, right? So you click on the profile, you go to my account, right? This is my only account. So you go to the account, boom, okay? And then the link is gonna be in my bio, right? So I'm gonna show you real quick. This is what my link looks like right here in the bio, okay? You're gonna click on the link. It's gonna take you to Linktree, right? And then you're gonna click this first link right here. I'm gonna click it. Once you click, you'll be able to see what we talk about inside of here. Let me turn my brightness down really quick. Right, so you can read up on it if you want to. You can read our reviews as well. You can see pretty much everything. It's completely transparent. Click join at the bottom. Put my time limit on. You're gonna click join at the bottom. Okay, and then you'll see the 75-month link. This expires in how many minutes? 2 minutes and 12 seconds. So you guys got 2 minutes left to enroll at 75 a month. Okay, if you're here on YouTube and you want to subscribe, I'll drop the link to here on YouTube right now. Copy, paste. So YouTube, the link is in the chat right now for you guys to join as well. Okay, so you guys got 2 minutes, and then I will remove that link out of my bio, and then you won't be able to join at that price anymore. So you got 2 minutes left. Just join. Shout out to you for enrolling into TSA. Yes, I am on YouTube as well. I am on YouTube as well. So y'all got a minute 30. A minute 30 left. Today was a beautiful day. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Beautiful day. What time where you are? What time is it where you are? 10:22 a.m. 10:22 in the morning. Let me read this real quick. Is the link still live? Yes, the link is in my bio right now. You have 20 seconds left before it is gone indefinitely. Before it is gone, the link is in my bio. Link for the Discord. It's in my bio. There's a sale going on right now. You got, well, the timer literally just went off, but I'll give you another 2 minutes. The link is in my bio. It's the very first link. It's $75 a month. The normal price is $99 a month. So yeah, you can click the link in my bio. You can join right now and you can go through the onboarding. So here's what your next steps will look like when you do join TSA. Once you do enroll, it will redirect you to our onboarding. So our onboarding is about a 25-minute section. We'll show you how to set up your brokerage account, whether you should use Webull or Robinhood. Then we'll show you how to set up your trading view. So this is all of this right here. We'll show you how to set all of this up as well, okay? We'll also walk you through how to access the curriculum. So you get access to 30 hours of curriculum, basically taking you from a complete beginner to an individual who is super informed about the market, confident in the trades that they're taking, and doesn't really need help from anyone, but still being able to access to everything. From there, we go over the schedule of our live calls when we do our classes on Tuesdays, and then pre-market calls, which we do Monday through Friday, like we just did with you guys here. This is live trading. We do this in TSA as well. So sometimes I won't stream. I'll only trade live with them. So you get exclusive access, not only to the information, but exclusive access to all of the curriculum as well. So if that's something you're interested in, the link is in my bio, $75 a month. And again, it's normally $99 a month. So yeah, we're taking out 257 on IWM. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. All you have to do is just size for zero, man. Just leave him to go. If QQQ can get back to 624, we should be a lot more bullish on the day. This is a very strong candle close. This is a beautiful rally. Just straight up V. Straight up V, literally. What type of camera are you using for streams? This is a Sony a6400 with a 16mm Sigma lens. Pushing all day. Yeah, we might trend the rest of this day, or we could chop up, either one. I just know 625 is a major level for QQQ, and then IWM, another major level, is 256, 56. These are two major levels. So you're literally just watching these levels here. Bet, appreciate it. No problem, brother, man. No problem. Does anyone have questions about enrolling into TSA, or does anyone need more time to enroll? The timer is literally done, so I'm about to get ready to close it out, but if there's anyone else who needs a little bit more time, let me know. But again, this is where you come to learn everything. Even if you're a complete beginner, if you don't know nothing about nothing, we're taking people who are complete beginners, know nothing about the stock market, to being super informed, trading on their own, knowing how to look at the chart and understanding where price can go, so on and so forth. Can I get like 2 more minutes? What time is it? 10:26. You got until 10:30. So y'all have until 10:30. If you have a question about enrollment, let me know now, right now. And then at 10:30, I'm gonna remove the link and then I'm gonna close out the stream. So you have multiple charts open at once on one screen. Sorry, new to this. Yes, this is just on one screen. This is just showing me different prices. Time frames on the chart. Is Robinhood worth trading on? It's cool, but I like Webull more, honestly. I like Webull more. Just personal preference, though. That's just my personal preference. That is my personal preference, honestly. Is Netflix going higher? Who knows? Who knows? Look at SPX moving for this gap fill. I just sent you a message about trying to get in. Thank you for all the gems you get for free. No problem, Kay. Yeah, I'll read your message once I get off here. Where can I watch? Watch what? All right, y'all got 3 minutes left until that 75 a month link disappears. Let me answer your question now before I remove this link. Let me see. I've watched a few live. Unfortunately, I can't log in with incorrect email because I can't verify an email address I don't have access to. I tried reaching out to WAP support AI bot, and it seems the solution would be to transfer the membership. Really appreciate your time for this. I watched a few of the lives. I don't want to cancel this. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna reach out to my rep. I'm gonna reach out to my rep at WAP to see if we can get it fixed. The reason they do that is so that we don't have too many issues with you guys having accounts being changed on our end. So they make it to where only you can change your information on there. So I'm gonna reach out to them real quick. Kay, send me the email that you used to purchase as well. Send me the email address you paid with as well so we can get this resolved. I just shot him over a message, so he should be getting back to me shortly. All right, y'all, you got 1 minute left to join TSA. And then that'll be it. I'm gonna close it out. I'm gonna close out the stream here in a minute as well, so I can go work out, go run a mile, and go chill for the day. We got 1 minute. All right, y'all. That's pretty much it for right now, y'all. I'm out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you made money, shoot me over a DM.